While students say they're better equipped to handle the second round of remote learning, their final year of schools presented many challenges which have caused major disruptions.
We're all dealing with it in different ways. Some are struggling more than others.
Cluey Learning's analysed data from an organisation called Student Edge, which surveyed 404 Year 11 and 12 students across the country in May. It found 69% of Victorian senior students have experienced ATAR anxiety, while 50% fear COVID will negatively impact their score.
That was before the second lockdown, so one can assume that those numbers are higher now.
Students say their stress comes in waves.
Quite often we're feeling fine and then something else will just come and we'll feel all stressed and freaked out again.
Despite the hurdles, nearly 70% of the state's students want to sit their exams this year.